Hey, what's up guys, Fahed Zaman here. In this video I am going to talk about best cryptocurrency you can buy in 2022. Please bear in mind this is not financial advice and the cryptocurrency industry is incredibly volatile. It's up to you as the investor to research what project interests you and decide whether you want to invest your money in them. And in this video I will talk about my favorite cryptocurrency you can buy in 2022, and all these crypto you can buy on Gate.io. Gate.io is a platform for cryptocurrency traders. If you are a crypto trader and you are looking for a medium to buy or sell your tokens or coins, I recommend Gate.io to you. They are reliable and fast. So the link is available in the video description. So first on the list is XRP. XRP is an open source cryptocurrency that uses an open source distributed ledger called XRP Ledger. It was developed by Ripple, an enterprise blockchain company that facilitates global transactions. Ripple says XRP was built for payments and can settle transactions faster, more reliably, and at a lower cost than is possible over standard global payment infrastructure. So I think you must buy XRP because XRP price is down compared to a year ago and you can buy it for well under $1. And next on the list is Chainlink. Chainlink is another Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. The network is used to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment system. The Chainlink price moves in fits and start and currently sits at around $7, down almost 80% year over year, giving investor a chance to buy cheap. And next on the list is Uniswap. As a major player among decentralized exchange, Uniswap automates the trading of decentralized finance tokens between coin holders, allowing anyone who hold coins to create a liquidity pool for any token pair they choose. Although highly volatile, Uniswap has the advantage of having been an early player in the decentralized exchange space. And next on the list is Sandbox. Sand. The Sandbox is a blockchain-based metaverse, a virtual game that uses a play-to-earn model that lets users create, buy, sell, and collect digital assets in the form of NFTs. And with the current hype around metaverse, blockchain games like the Sandbox might just be getting started. And next on the list is Decentraland Mana. Decentraland is the token behind an Ethereum blockchain based virtual reality game of the same name with the almost $183 billion market capitalization. The cryptocurrency project is not exactly child's play. Although down from its November 2021 high of $5.48, Mana is still selling above its around $1, so I think you must buy this coin. And next on the list is Near Protocol. Near Protocol is a layer 1 blockchain designed to be a community-operated cloud computing platform with faster transaction speeds. The project has the potential to reduce barriers to Web3 adoption, Web3 being the catchphrase for a blockchain-based internet. So I think you must buy all these coins and it will definitely give you profit in the future. And all these coins you can buy on Gate.io. The link is available on the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.